What is lithium grease? Hey, engineering moms, have you ever stopped to think about the number of machines that surround us? From the car that takes us to work to massive machines that builds our cities, they all have something in common. They need lubrication to work smoothly without excessive friction that causes wear and failures. But among so many types of lubricants, there is one that stands out for its versatility and effectiveness, being considered by many as the preferred lubricant for a wide range of applications. We're talking about lithium grease, but what makes it so special and why has it become the preferred choice of engineers and mechanics all over the world? So what exactly is this lithium grease? At its core, lithium grease isn't just an oil, but rather a semi-solid substance, a kind of sponge that holds oil. I've already made a video here on the channel talking about what grease is, but imagine a gel or a paste. It has the consistency to stay where it's applied, unlike a liquid oil that would easily run off. This characteristic is essential for lubricating components that can't retain liquid oil, like bearings and joints. The magic behind its structure lies in the lithium soap, which acts as a thickener, giving the grease its characteristic consistency and allowing it to hold the base oil and additives in a stable matrix. But how did this lubricant come about that's so versatile and widely used? The history of lithium grease is intrinsically linked to the evolution of industry and engineering. At the beginning of the 20th century, with the advancement of machines and the need for more robust lubricants, researchers were looking for solutions that could withstand harsher operating conditions. The traditional greases of that time, often calcium or sodium-based, had limitations, especially regarding water resistance and stability at different temperatures. It was from the 1940s onward that lithium soap began to be explored as a superior thickener, offering a combination of properties that would revolutionize the lubricant market. The search for a lubricant that could protect components in humid environments and with temperature variations led to the development and popularization of lithium grease, which quickly became an industry standard. But okay, what makes lithium grease so special and what are its properties? One of its most notable characteristics is its water resistance. Unlike other greases, which can be easily washed away or emulsified by water, lithium grease maintains its integrity and lubricating ability. Even in humid environments, it acts like a real raincoat for the parts. In addition, it has excellent thermal stability, which means it can maintain its lubricating properties both at high temperatures and in. It can also be used to do what I showed. Its dropping point, which is the temperature at which the grease changes from a semi-solid to a liquid state, usually ranges between 150 and 200 degrees Celsius, demonstrating its robustness. Another crucial property is oxidation resistance, which extends the grease's lifespan and consequently the lifespan of the lubricated components, preventing it from degrading and losing its protective characteristics over time. But how is this type of grease made? The composition of lithium grease is relatively simple, but it's the combination of its elements that gives it its exceptional properties. Basically, it is made up of three main ingredients: the base oil, the thickener, and the additives. The base oil, which is usually high-quality mineral oil, is the component that actually provides lubrication, reducing friction between surfaces. Its viscosity can vary, and it's common to find base oils with viscosity ranging from ISO 32 to ISO 100, depending on the application. The thickener, as we've already mentioned, is lithium soap, which is formed by the reaction of a fatty acid with lithium hydroxide. It acts as a matrix, a kind of molecular sponge that holds the base oil and keeps it in place. Finally, we have the additives, which are like vitamins or extra superpowers, added to the grease to further improve its performance. They can include corrosion inhibitors, antioxidants, extreme pressure additives to withstand heavy loads, and anti-wear agents, each playing a vital role in the protection and longevity of machines. But if it's so good, where can we use it in our daily lives and in industry? In the automotive sector, it is widely used in wheel bearings, universal joints, suspension and steering components, ensuring that your car runs smoothly and safely. In industry, its presence is even more prominent, where you will find it in electric motor bearings, pumps, fans, conveyors, agricultural machinery, and heavy construction equipment. It is the ideal choice for lubricating open gears, pins, and bushings, where adhesion and water resistance are crucial. Basically, any component that needs a lubricant to stay in place, withstand harsh conditions, and protect against wear will likely benefit from lithium grease. But why is this lithium grease so popular, and what are its main advantages? The answer lies in its unbeatable combination of performance and cost-effectiveness. Its versatility, without a doubt, is one of its greatest advantages, since a single grease can be used in different applications, simplifying inventory and maintenance. The excellent protection against wear and corrosion extends the lifespan of components, reducing the need for replacements and, consequently, maintenance costs. Its mechanical stability means that it does not break down or soften easily under stress, maintaining its consistency and lubricating ability for a longer time. In addition, resistance to water washout is a huge advantage in humid environments or where there is frequent contact with water, ensuring that lubrication is not compromised. But is it perfect for everything, or are there limitations or situations where it is not the best choice? Although it is extremely versatile, it is important to recognize que nenhuma solução é universal. Standard lithium grease without specific additives may not be the most suitable for applications that involve very high pressure loads or operating temperatures consistently above 150 or 200 degrees Celsius. In these cases, greases with additives or lithium complex greases that offer greater thermal resistance would be more suitable. Additionally, in environments with excessive contamination by abrasive particles, lithium grease may require special formulations or a more frequent relubrication schedule. It is crucial to always consult the equipment manufacturer's specifications to ensure the correct lubricant is chosen. And how does lithium grease compare to other types of grease available on the market? To understand its place, it's helpful to compare it with some alternatives. Calcium greases, for example, are known for their excellent water resistance, but they generally have a lower dropping point and are not as stable at high temperatures as lithium greases. Sodium greases, on the other hand, offer good stability at high temperatures, but they are very susceptible to being washed away by water. Lithium complex greases are an evolution of simple lithium grease, formulated to offer even better performance at higher temperatures and under heavier loads, making them a more robust option, but also more expensive. Simple lithium grease stands out as an excellent balance between performance, versatility, and cost, making it a standard choice for most general applications. This lithium grease here, for example, I use it to lubricate my 3D printer, laser cutter, computer coolers, and for several other purposes. And seriously, it's worth having a jar of this at home, even for door hinges, because it lasts much longer than other types of lubricants. I'll leave some options for lithium grease in the link that's showing up in the video. If you've made it this far and enjoyed the video, take the opportunity to subscribe if you haven't already, leave a like, and turn on the notification bell. And if you find our content interesting, consider becoming a member to help us keep producing content here on the platform. And if you're curious to learn more about the courses we recommend, scan the QR code here on the side or check the link in the video description to have access to several opportunities to develop various skills that will make a difference in your career. And have you ever used lithium grease in any application? What was your experience? Share your stories and questions in the comments. That's because your participation is very important for us to keep uncovering the secrets of engineering. It also lets us stay in touch with you and lets you connect with each other. Here are 2 interesting videos you need to watch to expand your knowledge and feed your curiosity. If you'd like to support us, please like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and consider joining as a channel member. That's it. Engineering fans, a big hug, and I'll see you in the next video.